Let's just talk about colors at funerals. The vibration of certain colors during funerals is not conducive for the dead. Examples: black color, red color, brown color, by way of the dresses and decorations, much more when they are deep colors, they are not conducive at all. White color is most appealing. Why? The atoms attract and they are conducive to the vibration of the dead. When a black cloth or black attire is worn, there should be a little bit of white in it. That is fine to do so. The dead do not see physical materials as we do, but perceive them by the composition of their atoms. That is how the dead perceive. Grief, crying, wailing, and lamentations dampen the cheerfulness of the dead, and as much as possible, these things should not characterize any funeral. Respect should be shown because that is about the last occasion to bid the dead Godspeed. Repeat at the funeral that the dead person has no more role to play in the physical world, but should adjust or find his or her balance in the spiritual world, and the name of the dead person should be mentioned frequently with that reminder. Of course, those who have spiritual eyes, they can see the two lower ethers we always talk about, the two lower ethers of the vital body shimmering or hovering over the coffin. That is for those who have the spiritual eye. They can see that. How about the burial?
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over. Damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.